Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating task priority matrices in Todoist. This method will help you stay organized and productive, ensuring you never overlook essential tasks. First off, let's open Todoist and go to the project where you want to create your task priority matrix. The reason we do this is to keep our tasks organized within specific projects, making it easier to manage and track progress. Next up, let's create 4 labels: urgent and important, not urgent and important, urgent and not important, not urgent and not important. To do this, click on the labels icon on the left pane, then add these 4 labels. These labels represent the quadrants of the Eisenhower matrix, a time management technique that will help us prioritize our tasks effectively. Now that we've done that, let's start creating tasks. Click on the plus button at the top right corner. Type your task and assign one of the labels that we've just created. This helps us because by categorizing tasks according to their urgency and importance, we can focus on what truly matters and avoid wasting time on lesser important tasks. Next, make sure to order your tasks based on your labels. The urgent and important tasks should be on top, followed by not urgent and important, urgent and not important, and finally, not urgent and not important. The reason we do this is to visually prioritize tasks, giving you a clear overview of what needs to be done first. Lastly, take advantage of Todoist's priority levels. Assign a priority level to each task by clicking on the task and then on the priority flag. Select from P1 to P4, with P1 being the highest priority. This is crucial because it gives you an additional layer of prioritization, ensuring that you tackle the most important tasks first. That's it. You've now created a task priority matrix in Todoist. By organizing tasks this way, you'll be able to better manage your time and productivity. Remember, the key is to regularly update and review your tasks to keep your matrix effective. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.